Overthinking isn't the same problem as anxiety, even though they share a lot of the same furniture. Anxiety is a feeling looking for an exit. Overthinking is the mind trying to solve a feeling using logic when logic was never actually the tool the feeling needed. That's why distraction half works on overthinking and then quietly fails. You watch something, scroll something, and the loop is still running underneath, waiting for you to come back to it. What overthinking actually needs isn't less engagement, it's a different kind of engagement, something that occupies the same analytical part of your mind that's currently spinning but gives it somewhere to land. This is where a well-built mystery or a slow literary puzzle does something self-help can't. Your overthinking brain wants to solve something. Give it an actual puzzle to solve on the page, and it will happily redirect its energy there instead of your unanswerable 3 a.m. question. Tana French's novel work well for this. Atmospheric, psychologically dense, genuinely something to work out, without the cheap manufactured urgency of a thriller built purely on dread. Essays also help here, oddly because they model exactly what overthinking can't do for itself. They actually arrive somewhere. Z.D. Smith's essays are good for this. You watch a sharp mind follow a thought all the way through to an actual landing point, and something in you, watching that happen, starts to believe a thought can land instead of looping forever. What I avoid for overthinking specifically is anything ambiguous on purpose, anything that wants you to sit in uncertainty as the point of the book. That's a wonderful tool for other emotional states. For an already spinning mind, ambiguity is just more fuel. Think about this. But before I go, I want to tell you about The Margin, the first paid tier on my Patreon. I build a full reading list around exactly one state like this, with a journaling prompt that goes alongside it, so the redirection actually goes somewhere instead of just being a nice idea for an evening. It's the part of this practice that lets me go properly deep with people instead of staying general, and being part of it is genuinely what funds me getting to keep doing what I love. If that's something you want, the link is in the description box below. Do think about joining. I'll come back tomorrow, and I hope you do too.